we see some ID?
No, what for?
I just asked you.
What's your probable cause to ask me for ID?
It does not have a handicap placard.
Read the plate, man. You don't even know what you're talking about. DV, that's disabled veteran plate. We can park in handicapped spots.
Let me see some ID, please.
No.
All right, let's break down what's happening in this video so you guys know what's happening. This guy is a disabled veteran. He also went through the police academy and graduated. So he's wearing his uniform, which is not illegal because he's not acting like a police officer out there. He's not pulling anybody over. He's not doing the whole Jeremy DeWitt thing, if you guys know what I mean. If you don't know who Jeremy DeWitt is, look him up. A serial police impersonator. There are some things in this video that should be pointed out. For instance, the lieutenant is saying that you can no longer park there with a disabled veteran placard. That supposedly a new law came out on January 1st. And if you look through the comment section, you'll see other folks that actually agree with the lieutenant. But the lieutenant goes off and does some research of his own, comes back and leaves the man alone. Why do you think that is, folks? Watch this video. Go subscribe to Miguel McQueen's channel. Let him know I sent you. Let's get right into it.
You have no probable cause. You're going down a bad road here. Really?
I've asked you a question.
Okay.
And I have never seen anybody wear a police academy
That's your
graduation
business.
after
That's
they
your business.
graduate.
I wear it all the time. Do my training, and I can do that because I'm a graduate. I can wear the uniform.
Have
I
you
can
been
wear
certified
it.
as a peace
Of course.
officer?
I have my certification. What are you talking about? Why don't you run the plate? Why don't you run the plate? Run the plate, man. I gave you permission. And what did you see? You had to see the certification. You had to see it. You had to see it. You had to see it. Come on, man.
Certification isn't on your tag.
When you run my name, you can find it. Contact T-Cole. Why don't you contact them? You saw my name. Call T-Cole. Go ahead.
Run his name.
Run it.
Run him.
Run it. Call T-Cole. But you have no justification of probable cause to run up on me. Yeah. You think it's going to be easy like that? No. It's not going to be like that.
That's fine.
To violate my right to wear my uniform. What are you running up on me for? What's your problem?
Who was the academy director when you were there?
Contact them.
Who is it?
Ask him. Navarro College, call him.
Well, the reason I did that,
Call him.
I know they just graduated.
Call him. You could have done all of that. You could have done all of that while I was inside.
I don't know who you are.
I don't know who you are. Who are you? I know about Joshua Police PD. I know. Yeah.
Okay, you know what?
Yeah. So just go ahead and try it.
I don't have Alan's number.
Call them.
Yeah,
Call them.
Get him. When'd you graduate?
I don't have to tell you anything. Don't ask me any questions because I'm not answering.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't answer questions.
We're going to play the game of we don't.
We have a quick interruption and a quick shout out to Jason Bassler at Police to Police. He created this meme. But we have a question for you guys. Hopefully you can answer this in the comment section. Why are cops allowed to hide body cam footage? What policy allows them to hide it? And what policy will make them give up that body cam footage when we demand it? Leave some comments, folks.
What? Why? You detaining me?
I don't want you to get hit by a car. Just
No.
step over here.
Then my question is, are you detaining me?
I don't know what's going on.
Okay, so then don't tell me where to go. No.
Okay.
No.
I know you told me just pull up. I don't know what's going on.
Ask him.
He told me to stand over here with you. I don't know
Okay, so you're standing here, and I'm here. So what are you talking about? What are you asking me any questions for?
I'm not asking you.
Okay, what are you telling? Don't give me any instructions.
I was just asking you.
Don't give me any instructions.
Until we figure out
No.
what's going on.
Since he has no probable cause to stop me, and I'm not being detained, he's got 1 minute, and then I'm leaving.
I don't know. I don't even know what's going on.
Okay, well then why don't you find out? Because then I'm going to leave away from you.
Because my sergeant asked me to come over here, so I just
Okay,
came
well,
and-
you need to find out because I'm going to walk away from you, get in my car, and drive away.
Well,
So you
do
need to find out from him.
Okay. Do you mind holding off on leaving until I find out what's going on to see if you ask him? Because that's my captain. He's in charge of this. If I ask him, find out if
he's
detained or not.
he's not too smart because first of all, even you know, if I have disabled veteran plate, I can park in a handicapped spot.
they
Even
just
you
changed-
know
they
that.
just changed
No,
that.
no,
Yeah.
no. They didn't just change that.
Yeah,
It's
it
been that
started-
way.
Well, it started in September that it was that way.
No, sir. It's been that way for years. I've had this for 5 years.
Well,
It's
as
already
far
been
as
that way.
as far as I know,
And
it started in
if he's a
September, they
captain,
changed
he
it.
should have known that, but he didn't.
I-
He just saw this, and he saw this, and he wanted to make a problem. That's your reputation there, Joshua. Come on, man.
is
Yes,
not.
it is. How many black officers you got?
Right
One.
Yeah, we only have one right now.
One.
Yeah, but,
I know.
One thing I like about this video is the fact that this guy knows a lot about that department. He knows names. He knows that there's only one black officer working for that department. Outstanding work, folks. I'm sure it's easier to know everybody's name when you live in a small town, but even in big towns, it's important to know who our public officials are. One of the things that I do when I go out is I ask questions, I ask for names and badge numbers, and I remember the names of the cops who try to violate my rights or are very disrespectful. One officer in Bakersfield, California that I've encountered a couple times, he's been very rude. Officer Kidwell is now involved in a lawsuit for hitting somebody with his car. This is what I'm talking about, folks. Get names and badge numbers, that way we know who they are. Keep watching.
And
We
you
gonna
and,
hire
and
you
you
a block.
barely
We gonna
let
hire
him
you a
in.
block.
You barely let him in. Barely let him in. Barely let him in. And your reputation is already bad. From years ago, you had a corruption scandal. You had to get rid of a lot of your
I was gonna say, that was
PDs.
way before I got here.
And you got one amongst your ranks. Are you finished? I gotta go. Are you finished?
He said 1 second. Where's the corruption scandal?
The one where that chief.
He knows. He's playing games with you.
It was like 10 years ago. Here? Yeah.
He knows.
They fired like half Christie was here. They ended up firing
He
like
knows.
half-
He knows. There's no sense in telling him. If he knows, and he's a new guy, and you don't know, then there's something wrong with
Yeah,
you.
but he was ambulance here before then.
Yeah. Did you check T code? Did you call Navarro? Did you check T code? Did you call Navarro?
He did call him.
Okay. So then you're feeling small now, aren't you?
No, not a bit.
You shouldn't run up on people. You have no probable cause. If you wanted to follow me and run my plate, you could have done that.
Talk to anybody?
No, well, I don't have to talk to you.
And you did.
I don't have to talk to you. That's right. I already told you that. Waste my time and you. You're supposed to be a captain, and you don't know disabled plates have a right to park in a parking spot. And you violating people's rights, huh? Running up on them without probable cause. I'm in a uniform doing the same thing for you for free.
Alan Eddings, who was the captain.
So what? I don't care what he thinks. I'm a graduate and I have T code certification. So I don't care what he says. I don't care what he says.
Are you a peace officer?
I have T
Are you
code
a PO?
certification.
Are you a PO?
I have T code
You're not.
certification. Yes, I do. That's what you
expired.
checked it.
It expired.
Who says who? My certification doesn't say expired. You want it to be expired because you see brown skin. So take a walk. Walk of shame. Walk of shame, Captain. Yeah, walk of shame. Don't run up on me again. Don't ever you run up on me again. Do you understand? Do you understand? And learn the law. And learn the law. And learn the law. And you better have probable cause before you run up on somebody in uniform. You don't have no reasonable suspicion because I'm on the same side as you.
No, you aren't.
I have T code.
I don't
I'm a
care.
graduate
Take
of
the
the
car.
police academy. Okay, just like you years ago. You probably couldn't even pass the test. Right
Get
now,
going.
you go. You get going. You get going. You get going. I'm a peace officer, and you had no probable cause. You had no probable cause to stop me. You had no probable cause. I have peace officer certification just like you. So go learn the law before you start teaching young people how to do the job. You're a bad example to the young fella over there. You don't even know the rules of parking.
While watching this video, I couldn't help but think of something. What if all you constitutional lovers, freedom fighters, people that believe in the First Amendment, what if you went through the academy? What if more of us signed on to become police officers? Could we change things from the inside out like they say? Whoa, if you want to change something, why don't you just become a police officer? How about why don't you learn the First Amendment before getting out there trying to patrol the streets, trying to have presumed authority? But like I said, it's inevitable. It's only a matter of time before enough people wake up and realize what has happened to them in this country. Where have their rights gone? Who's doing away with them? Are we doing this to ourselves? Or are we being conditioned this way? Know and understand what your rights are. Learn and read the Constitution. Those documents were written to preserve your natural rights. Go subscribe to Miguel McQueen. Let him know what you think about this video. I think this video gives us a lot to look forward to. We the people are wise, folks. We're not as dumb as they think. Thank you all for tuning in. We will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Peace.